How to set up emergency funds in YNAB. First of all, open the app and make sure you are signed in to your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the plan option from the bottom bar. Here you will see your budget categories and accounts. To set up an emergency fund, start by creating a dedicated category. Tap the Notes with pencil icon in the top right corner, then tap the plus button next to a category group, or tap the three dots and select a new category group. Name your category something like emergency fund to keep it separate from regular spending. Next, tap on the category and select Add Target. Choose the type of goal you want, for example, weekly, monthly, yearly, or custom by date. Enter the amount you want to save and set the timeline for your fund. Once finished, tap Save Target. As you add income or allocate money to this category, YNAB will automatically track your progress toward your emergency fund goal. Regularly review the category's balance and progress bar to see how close you are to reaching your target. Now you know how to set up emergency funds in YNAB. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.